Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Well. It looks like Kimora Lee Simmons, the ex-wife of Russell Simmons, the ex-wife of Jaimin Honsu, is being told to evict a Beverly Hills home from her ex-husband, who checked into prison earlier this year because he bought that home with ill-gotten gains. Let us read. Kimora Lee Simmons refuses to vacate 25 million Beverly Hills mansion bought by her ex with stolen IMDb funds. I told you. Kimora Lee Simmons is reportedly refusing to vacate her 25 million mansion bought by her estranged second husband with money he stole from a Malaysian sovereign wealth fund. Convicted felon Tim Lesner purchased the Beverly Hills home in 2017 using 4.5 billion embezzled from IMBD. 3 years later, his firm, LLC Kenway Pride, sold the 7-bedroom estate to real estate brothers David and Simon Rubin, in a deal that required 67,000 monthly payments, according to the New York Post. Oh, this is getting quite interesting. However, Simmons has been living there since November of 2020 and no rent has been paid to date on the lavish 3.7-acre property, court documents allege. Not only that, the 50-year-old mother of 6 filmed her rebooted 8-episode reality series inside the luxurious house, which features a towering closet containing 698 designer bags. My God. The Daily Mail has contacted a representative for Simmons and the Rubins for comment and has yet to hear back. A trial-setting conference for the civil dispute over possession, title and liability of the legally contested home is scheduled for the 25th of February. The reality star challenged the scale of leaseback of the property at 25 Beverly Park Circle in Beverly Hills Court in 2021. She claimed the Rubin brothers illegally bought the house without her permission. However, she allegedly signed a keyway resolution authorizing the sale. Okay, so this is how I'm going to look at it. As far as I'm concerned, Kimora will move. She has no choice. She has to move. She just wanted to stay there a little longer so that she can film this reality show, and praise to God Almighty that this reality show will put her back into center stage and she'll be able to make coin. Her brands and everything will be able to establish. She's not trying to live any less. She likes living lavish, hence the word fabulosity. It really came from her. Last Friday, Lesnar surrendered himself to a federal correctional complex in Allenwood, Pennsylvania, to serve a 2-year sentence. Oh, please, it's nothing. That's what, 24 months for conspiracy to violate the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act and participating in a money laundering conspiracy. Simmons and the German-born investment banker welcomed a 10-year-old son, Wolfie, during their marriage. No divorce papers have been filed and they have not been pictured together since 2019. That's because, I am telling you right now, Tim Lesnar said 24 months, he's not going to do the full time. He will get out for good behavior. He's still got some cash and some coin. I'm going to come back out here and I'll buy the house and we'll live happily ever after. Wolfie is a beautiful boy. He's so handsome. Well, Kimora is a model, you know, she was always gorgeous. So all of her children, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The Tony-winning producer has 2 daughters, Ming and Akoi, 26 and 23 respectively, from her 11-year marriage to her first husband, Russell Simmons, who is somewhere, you understand me, just centering himself and refuses to come back to the States, even though I think he's gone back and forth, but he's not here permanently, which ended in 2009. The 60-year-old Def Jam co-founder is living his life in exile in Bali after being accused by more than 20 women of sexual assault and misconduct, which he denies. Hey God. As of November 3rd, Rolling Stone reported that Russell still had not paid 11 million owed to the 3 of his accusers. Wow. This thing is hot, smoking and steaming. The vegan yogi Me Too scandal was detailed in Kirby's Dick and Amy Zick's criticism acclaimed documentary On the Record, which premiered in 2020 on HBO Max. Simmons has a 16-year-old son, Kenzo, with her ex-fiancé, two-time Oscar nominee Djimon Hounsou, and adopted son Gary, also 16. Djimon Hounsou was also out here in these hot papers. Why? For domestic violence with his other baby mama, and I think they share a baby boy. So it's a hot smoking mess. She also serves as godmother to incarcerated rap mogul Sean Diddy Combs, the 19-year-old twin daughters Jessie and Delilah. In December, Simmons admitted that she doesn't have a relationship really with any of her exes. Wow, what a lineup. Kimora, you know what? You're 50, in your 50s, that's when life gets better. Damn all of this. You've lived your life. Your children are kind of sort of grown. Go and find a smaller place. Find your peace. Do your thing. You don't need all of this back and forth. Your husbands all in courts and being accused for domestic violence, for this, for stealing, for all of this. It's a hot mess. You know why? I tell you here, my darling girls, follow the money. And that's what Kimora did. Kimora followed the money. She followed the money. She loves lavish. There's nothing wrong with it, to be honest. I live and love lavish too, you know. But at the end of the day, it's not serving you anymore, mama. Get rid of the house. It's not that big of a deal. You'll get some money. You're always making money. Come and film another season or two of your reality show and then be done with it. That's it. That's all I can say. Guys, it is what it is, you know. At the end of the day, when you love lavish, you kind of what? You kind of pay the price. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Some of you might know when I started having my meet and greets, the first meet and greet that I ever had was at OPV Beauty's beauty salon, and I have loved their products. I have loved their brand ever since. Anyway, my darlings, we have for OPV Beauty your portable beauty stand where you can put all of your makeup and all of your stuff together. It's like a roll-on suitcase, and it's the most beautiful color. It's a wonderful rose gold pink. So you just take it up like this and you can just roll it out. It's so perfect when you're traveling. It's so perfect when you're going for your events and stuff. You just have it like so. Put it on a chair. You're good to go. So let us open it. And please do not forget, my darlings, to use my discount code. Oh, look at the sensationalism of it all. A mirror here. And then, my darlings, just look. It lifts out and you have your makeup tray over here. Is this not gorgeous? Look at how fabulous this is. And then you have a tray here where you can put in all of your lipsticks. I am living and loving. You can put in your makeup brushes, and then look at this fabulous vanity brush, of which you can use for your foundation and smooth it over. I really wanted to display it for you and see how it looks so that you guys can go to their website and get it. It was £600. It's now what? So you have to absolutely what? Go and get yours. All of my loves, my darlings, and I hope you enjoy your treat. Don't forget to use Fumi all across the website at OPV Beauty. Mwah. All of my love. We have what? We have our tote bag. We have our tote bag with the thicker straps that you can carry with you, and you can take this to the gym. It's a sports bag. You can take it to the gym. You can take it to the supermarket. You can take it to work. It's got the logos on both ends. And I'm going to show you something also. You have a magnetic clip, so you can clip it in. It will hold in together. Also, when you pull it apart, you will have the label also in the bag. And then you've got a big purse right here to put all of your keys. But guess what? Multi-purpose, my darling. You can also fold this bag. So I'm going to show you as is. You just turn it in like so on both sides. There you go. You fold it. Guess what? You fold it into the opening pochette. And there you go. There you go. So you can have this as an extra shopping bag. You can have this as an extra bag when you're going anywhere, even on the airport, when you're traveling. It's so handy. So handy. It's a canvas bag. It is absolutely washable. It does not change. And we have it in pink. We have it in orange. We have it in sky blue, of which I live and love. Yes, and then we also have it in ice cream because I love ice cream, and I also love yogurt. So baby girl, you are looking absolutely cute. I hope you enjoy these, my darlings. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for riding with me. This is just the beginning, because the bras are coming, the slips are coming, the panties are coming, the makeup, the skincare, the Afro hair care kit is coming. It's all coming, my darling. This is a black-owned brand, and I am self-funded. My financier is my wonderful husband. Thank you. Thank you, Ula. Thank you for the unconditional love and support. I could never do any of this without him. You're so generous. And God bless you. And God bless you too, my beautiful Fumi Nation. And I am so excited. The link is below. And I will be sharing how to wear the t-shirts, different styles, different suits for you. Thank you so very much. God bless. Bye-bye. Yay! We have launched. We have launched. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. I am so excited. I am what? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.